Hey, what's up, tubers? This is SUPERDELL, and today I want to show you a video on how to lock down all your applications. We all know what can happen if the wrong hands touch our boxes. It can mess up some applications, mess up some settings, or a kid can get to some uncharted territory that we don't need them to see. So the app I'm going to show you is in my toolbox right here, and it's called Hexlock. But before I even get started, I want to show you a couple of apps that I'm going to end up locking down. All right, I'm going to just show you in demonstration Cartoon HD, as you see it working right now, okay, without no passcode, no pattern. And let's say I'm going to lock down Facebook. All right, we're going to lock it down. All right, very, very easy, okay? All you have to do, and let me remove myself. All right, let me just move myself. All right, I'm going to my toolbox right here, my tool folder. And right here again, here's the application. And it's called Hexlock. And we're going to click on it. And when it comes up, it's going to ask you to set up a pin or a pattern, just like your cell phone. In this demonstration, I'm going to set up a pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, it's going to tell you to do it again. Confirm it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So right here, you see this right here. All right. It got a couple of profiles on here. Let me turn it. All right. Where it just has off. Come on. Turn. Work. And then home. All right. So it has a few options. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this work one. All right, that's what I'm going to use. Up here, you can sort by name, lock, unlock, install date, which is sweet. That's nice. And here it says, right now, I have 0 of 81 applications locked. So I'm going to go in alphabetical order. So I'm going to click name. You can click whatever you want. And like I said, I'm going to lock down Cartoon HD. So here it is. Come over here, I'm gonna turn this on, and I'm gonna lock down Facebook. All right, for demonstration purposes. All right, once you're done, all you have to do is go over here and click work. Now, in some cases, you might have to go a little bit further, which I'm gonna show you on my box. Okay, so when I click profile activated, it says 2 applications locked. Okay, sometimes you might have to go into your settings and actually confirm it, depending on if your box is rooted or not. Just go over there and turn on give access to Hexlock. All right, so we got 2 applications that are activated. So I'm gonna go over here to my movies and TV folder, and I'm gonna click on Cartoon HD. And right here is asking me to put in the pin, or it might ask you to put in the pattern, whichever one you set up. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, and I should be able to get in. This is very nice. I think this is a must-have on all Android TV boxes. All right. Unfortunately, like I said, the Shield is just not working. I wish, and I'm going. It ain't no wish to it. I will find an app that will work with the Shield that lock down the apps. All right, so the same thing over here, click on Facebook, and it should ask me to put in the pattern. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we have it. So this is an awesome, awesome application to have on your Android TV boxes. Now, I will leave the link to my, or the code to my file link where you can get Hexlock. All right, also, let's say if you ever forgot, say you forgot, you don't remember your code, you can always go to your application. All right, you want to go into your app info. This is one way to do it. If you got Nova Launcher, you can just press on it. If you don't, and you don't understand it, you can go into your settings, go over here to more settings, and you can go into your apps, or you can just go into your settings and go into your apps, which is right here. and you can go to wait for it to come up. The download apps is really up to you. I didn't mean to hit that. And then you can scroll over. All right. You can scroll over until you find Hexlock, which is right here. And you can click on it, and it'll take you to the same one. All right. So all you have to do is clear data. So if you forgot your passcode, you don't know it, you forgot it, that's all you have to do is press clear data. All right, so that's one way to do it. So if you click on it, it'll say, do you want to clear it? Or if you do it the other way, where you can go into your application. Go to more, go to settings, then go to more settings, and then you can go into apps this way, okay? And just go and find Hexlock. And once you find Hexlock, right here, you find Hexlock, you can go into storage, okay? Click on storage, and here it is, clear data. All right, so I'm gonna clear data. You can do it either way. Just make sure you hit clear data. All right. This gonna come up. You notice the numbers right here change. And then once I go back out to my regular applications, if I go into Cartoon HD, I will not have a pen. It'll just go right into Cartoon HD. All right, and the same thing for Facebook. All right, it'll just go right into Facebook. But if you wanted to start it again, you can just go wherever you got this application, click on Hexlock, and then you can start the process all over again. All right, so that's pretty easy, guys. Now, hopefully you share this video. That way this can help someone. Share it in Facebook groups. Invite people over to the page. We show you how to cut the cable cord, and we show you all type of devices, including the Nvidia Shield. That is an awesome tool to use to watch movies, TV shows, play games, and the whole 9 yards. I want to salute to you. Thank y'all for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, like this video, and go to the file link, aka Droid Admin, and you can get this application. Also, it's inside the Google Play Store. All right, I'll talk to you later. Salute. I'm out.